Hello everyone, my name is Raksha Jarolia and I am from CS5 division roll number 72. My topic is bitwise operators. So let's start it with. So as we know, the Python bitwise operators are used to perform the bitwise calculation on the integers. So for performing all of these calculations and operations, firstly we have to convert the integer into the binary and then we perform the operation on each bit or the corresponding pairs of bit. And hence it named as bitwise operators. So the result is returned in the decimal format. As we convert it into the binary first, then we again for the result we also have to convert it into the decimal format. And here is a note that Python bitwise operators works only on the integers. Here are the list of the bitwise operators as we seen: and, or, not, XOR, right shift and left shift. And here is the syntax for each and every one with respect to X and Y. So first of all, we learn the AND operators. So Python bitwise AND operator takes two equal length bit pattern as a parameters. The two bit integers are compared. If the bit in the compared positions of the bit pattern are 1, then the result bit is in 1. If not, it is 0. So here we take the one example has two bits X and Y, and value of X is 7 and Y is 4. So after taking the bitwise operations, we convert it into the binary. So here is the result in a binary format. And after performing the bitwise AND operations, here is the output, that is 4. Next we will see OR operators. So the Python bitwise OR operator takes two equivalent length bit designed as boundaries. If the two bits is looked at the positions are 0, the next bit is 0. If not, it is 1. Okay, so here is an examples as again the two bits X and Y. For X it is 7 and for Y it's 4. After performing the bitwise OR operations, here is the output 7. Then after we will see the not operator. However, unlike the others, this operator operates with only one operand. Python bitwise not operator works with a single value and return it to the 1 complements. This means it toggles all the bits value, transforming 0 and 1 bits are 0, resulting the 1 compared on the binary numbers. Here's an examples. The two bit values X and Y. Here's the Y is equals to 5. Take not on X. After performing the not operation, here's the output which is equals to 6. Here next is XOR operators. The Python bitwise XOR operators, also known as the exclusive OR operators, is used to perform the XOR operations on the two operands. XOR stands for exclusive OR. It returns true if and only if the exactly one of the operand is true. So here is an example also. We take the two bits X and Y, X equals to 7 and Y equals to 4 again. And after firstly we convert it into binary as we seen before. And then we perform the several operations on it, and after that the output is equals to 3. Here's the right shift. So the shift beats of the numbers to the right and fills the 0 on the void left. As a result, similar effect on the dividing the number or the sum power of 2. So here's as we take the example, A is equals to 10. After converting into the binary, we perform the left shift operation, and then it gives us the result as 5. Same as for the left shift. Here's the right shift actually, and then we see for the left shift. So the shift the bitwise number to the left and fills the voids right as a result. So here's we take the example as A is equals to 5. We convert it into the binary, and after performing the left shift operation, it gives us the output as 10 and 20. So here's the conclusion. In short, as we seen before, here are the operators, the symbol of the operators. There is a name that bitwise and bitwise or bitwise XOR, bitwise not, and bitwise left shift and right shift. Here's a description as in short, and here's an example of each and every, like as we see at first bitwise and. Here's the example as 3 and 5. So we convert it into the binary, and after converting into the binary, here's the result. And after printing the 5 and 3, we have the output as 1. So here is the summary of for all the topic. Thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day.